Going to be recording the ultimate 300ZX build video. Not sure how this is going to pan out. Not sure how I'm going to record it. This is where we're at. I already got the lower intake manifold installed. This is Merlin machining under Plenum fuel rail setup. Basically, he machined the lower intake manifold so that you can fit top feed injectors beneath the upper plenum. Essentially, you machined holes bigger for the injectors to sit down further to bolt top feed fuel rails onto, which you'll see it all when it's done. It's gonna be mint. And yeah, like I said, I kind of already started on it. Might turn into a time lapse. We'll see how it goes. But for now, got some washers to install on the head studs. I made the mistake of buying the ARP 2000s when using the original washers, which I don't know if you can really see. There's a little bit extra space around the washer. The idea is to get a larger washer to better hold down the heads when you're seeing boost levels above 25-30 psi, which we kind of want that, so I gotta swap those out. I'm gonna start with that. If you look really closely, you can see the size difference. The force of the nut down on this one doesn't have as broad of a area it covers versus the force put down on this one. It's about, I think, 3 millimeters larger in diameter overall between the two. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so I got some bad news here. The bolts that I was using on my factory valve covers are just a little bit too wide, and they come just a little bit too close to the edge of the valve cover. Don't want to take the chance, and it'd be nice to get some new bolts anyways for some nice shiny new valve covers. These things are gonna look freaking amazing though. So instead of going to the hardware store and getting some bolts, being a man of true efficiency, I ordered some off Amazon, so I'll have to wait 2 days. But in the meantime, got the timing covers on, water pipes in. I finished up the wiring for the injectors. I'm gonna try to get some AN hose fitted for these, and that might be it for today. Might throw the cam angle sensor in. No big deal though. Kind of bummed that the valve covers won't be done though. Is what it is. Let's get started on these, I guess.